Father reduced the quantity of food bought for the family by 10% when he found that the cost of living had increased by 15%. Thus, the fractional increase in the family food bill is now dash. So let's go. This is JAMB 1978 Mathematics question 11. So this is a question on fraction, and particularly this is more of percentages. So let's break it down in a simple way. So let's go. First of all, you need to know that, okay, let's take the quantity of food as Q and take the cost of living as C. So in that regard, before any reduction, before the father reduce anything or before any increase, so the initial bill of the family, so initial bill will be equal to quantity of food times cost. You know, if you want to calculate the bill of something, you need to multiply unit price times you need to multiply total quantity by the total price. So that's how we get it. So now quantity times cost, that means Q times C. That will just give me CQ or QC, anyhow you want to write it. Next, that means the new bill now. Let's go for the new bill. Now, after the father discovered that the cost has increased by 15%, he had to reduce the quantity of food by 10%. So if you reduce something by 10%, it means you are taking away 10% from 100% of that thing. 100% is the original whole of that thing when nothing has reduced. So, but now that we have reduced it by 10%, that is 100% minus 10%, that will be 90%. So that means we have 90% of quantity. So 90% is the same thing as 0.9. So I can write that one as 0.9 quantity times, we also said the cost has increased by 15%. Increase of 15% means we are adding 15% to 100%. So that's 115%. And 115% is the same as 1.15C. So because 115% means 115 over 100. So 115 over 100 means 1.15. So multiply these two together, you are going to have what? 1.035 CQ. That is what this will give you. Now, from there, we want to calculate the fractional increase. Fractional increase. So if you want to take fractional increase, that's old bill minus new bill. New minus old, because new is more than, that's new bill minus old bill all over old bill. So that is what we are going to do. It's just a normal formula. So that's fractional increase. New is what? That's 1.035 CQ minus old. Old is ordinary CQ divided by old, that's CQ. So from here, 1.035 minus 1, that will just give me 0.035 CQ all over what? CQ. CQ can cancel CQ, so we'll be left with what? 0.035. Let's write this in fraction. I will have 35. So shift your point 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So you have 35 all over 1000. That is how to convert from decimals to fraction. 1, 2, 3. So because I shifted my point 3 times, that's why I'm dividing by 1000. Now I have to reduce this. Of course, 5 can go in 35 7 times, and 5 can go in 1000 200 times. So my final answer will be 7 over 200. Check the options. Option D is the best. Thank you.